Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up payout account on Facebook page. So first of all, let's move to the Facebook, but before that make sure that you are using the latest version, right? So just go to the Play Store and search here Facebook and make sure to update the app, right? So after updating the app, open the app and just click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and here this is my page, right? So let's go to this page, and after that wait for a few seconds. You guys can also go to your page from this option here. This is option of page, so just click on it and you can just click here, right? Switch to, and after that you can just go to the page. So guys, right now we in the page. So if you want to set up the payout system here, you have to monetize your page. So to monetize the page, you have to complete the criteria which is set up by the Facebook, and make sure to you upload a good quality of content and regular post, and after that somehow your page got monetized. After that you can set up your payout account, right? Then you can just withdraw your money. So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you understand this video and make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.